There's upgrades that you get excited about, and then there's upgrades that you don't think about much until you realize how often you use them. This is one of those, and this is the DeerValley Smart Toilet, and after using it daily, it's one of those things that quietly makes everything feel smoother, and going back to a normal toilet just feels a little bit uncomfortable. This is a full smart toilet system designed around everyday comfort, hygiene, and automation, and not in a flashy way, but in a way that removes the small frictions that you didn't realize you were dealing with. It's designed to adapt to how you move through the day, the mornings, the late nights, the busy moments, without asking to think about it. What surprised me the most is how quickly this stopped feeling like tech and it just started feeling normal, because the lid opens automatically as you walk in. No touching, no bending, no thinking. You sit down, the seat is already at the right temperature, warm in colder months, and comfortable when it's hot out. And it sounds small, but when you experience it every day, it adds up pretty fast.
Alright guys, we got the toilet here. Everything is nice installed and it's already working, but everything is nice and very modern looking. The great thing is that as soon as you sit on it, it's already warm and preheated. You step on it and the lid automatically opens for you, so that's great. Also, it has the integrated light for nighttime. That's going to help you out a lot. In case if the remote dies, you do have the flush in there on the side. And the side nozzle, and right behind it, you can install the remote control. And as far as the options on the remote control, we do have the stop, the rear wash, the front wash, the dryer, and the foam shield. The nozzle position, the water pressure, water temperature, water wind temperature, the wind temperature, the seat temperature, and then on top we do have the open and close seat. We have the bubble wash, we have the flush, and the light. So everything is nice and simple to control from here from the remote. It does have the auto flush, so you don't have to worry about once you're done, just get up and it already flushes by itself.
Let's start with some of the features that actually changed my routine, like the hands-free auto lid and the smart flush, because this is probably the biggest everyday win. That you walk in, the lid opens, you walk away, and then it flushes automatically. No second guessing, no did I flush it moments, no touching surfaces that you don't want to touch. And once you get used to that level of hygiene and convenience, it's really hard to accept anything less. Up next, we got the seasonal heated seat, and this feature feels simple, but is incredibly well done. The seat adjusts automatically based on the room temperature. In winter, it's warm for the moment that you sit down, and then in summer, it stays comfortable instead of feeling sticky or overheated, and it never feels hot. It's just right, and even if you're sitting longer than planned. We also have the wash and dry cycle, because the wash experience is noticeably more refined than basic bidet setups, and the posterior wash is strong and adjustable, and the feminine wash is gentler and wider, designed for comfort and not pressure. And paired with the warm air dryer, it just creates the routine that feels cleaner and more complete than paper alone, and it's one of those changes that's hard to explain, but it's very easy to miss once it's gone. And if that's not all, we also have the foam shield, and this is one of those features that I didn't expect to care about. The foam layer reduces the splashing, helps control the odor, and it keeps the bowl cleaner between the flushes, and it makes the whole experience feel more controlled and cleaner, not flashy, and just effective. Now, there are a few things that give me a long-term confidence using this daily, like the UV nozzle sterilization before each use, the dual water filtration for the wash water, and the nano glaze bowl coating, which makes cleaning easier. And these are features that you show off every day, but they matter when something becomes part of your routine. Another important feature that I didn't expect to appreciate as much as I do is that it still flushes during a power outage, and there's the built-in water tank and an included battery box that when the power is out, you can still flush it manually with one press, and it's one of those features that you hope to never need, but when you do, you're glad it's there. I feel like this is going to make sense if you value hygiene and comfort, if you're home a lot and you notice the small details, if you live with a partner, your kids, or elderly family, or you just want daily routines to feel easier. It's not dramatic, but it's quietly better. So I think that once you try it out, and you're gonna see the big difference, because a normal toilet is not going to give you the same comfort that this one would. You get the auto lid, the comfortable seat, the hands-free flush, cleaner wash, and less thinking overall, and it's individually subtle but together, and to be honest, that's a real upgrade. So if you've been thinking about upgrading something that you use every single day, this is one of those changes that actually stays noticeable. So if you're interested, I'm going to leave the details down in the description below. This is the DeerValley DV-1S0442-V3, and quietly, it changed how my bathroom feels. Thank you guys for watching. Go ahead and smash the like button and subscribe to support the channel. Stay tuned for more content, and I will see you on the next video.